When it comes to machine safety, HVAC systems, and compact industrial equipment, having a reliable local disconnect is essential. In today's RS Product Spotlight, we're featuring the new Altech LSF and RT series. Compact dual-rated AC and DC disconnect switches engineered for modern machinery, field service, and space-constrained applications. The Altech LSF and RT series delivers 16 to 40 amp disconnect capabilities using silver-plated contacts for long life and high conductivity. Both series comply with industrial safety standards. They're dual-rated for AC and DC, making them ideal for equipment powered by inverters, drives, DC power supplies, and mixed voltage control systems. They're also rated for safe use in HVAC systems using A2L refrigerants, meeting the latest safety and performance requirements. The LSF series provides a versatile DIN-rail-ready disconnect solution ideal for OEMs and retrofit applications. These mount inside the enclosure, and the operator uses a handle and shaft through the door. Key features include DIN-rail mounting or integrated base tabs for flexible installation and an integral lockout on the rotary toggle for maintenance safety. The RT series is the ideal choice for through-door or side panel mounting when operators need external access to the disconnect. Key features include mounting directly into a standard 22.5mm notched push-button hole and rear-facing terminals for easy internal wiring. Perfect for OEMs, panel builders, and retrofit applications where external operator access and minimal space usage are critical. Across both families, Altech includes several features, including silver-plated contacts for durability and DC arc suppression, 3 and 4 pole variations, spring-loaded snap action mechanism to prevent arcing and contact wear, padlockable handles for secure lockout and tagout, auxiliary contacts for PLC and HMI indication, and handle accessories, dual AC and DC ratings suitable for inverters, drives, power supplies, and mixed voltage systems, and compact frame and shock and chemical resistant housing for harsh industrial environments. It's ideal for machineries, pumps, conveyors, fans, and blowers, HVAC equipment including A2L refrigerant systems, compact industrial equipment, robotics, and lab automation, panel builders needing DIN-rail or through-door disconnects, and space-constrained retrofit applications. If you're looking for a compact, durable AC and DC rated disconnect switch built for modern equipment, the Altech LSF and RT series delivers flexibility, safety, and performance, whether mounted inside the panel or through the door. Need help selecting the right series? Visit RS or contact our RS Engineering Support Group to assist you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more RS Product Spotlight videos like this. Thanks for watching.